Morning, everyone. So today again, it's a add-on video to our new topic called types of retail store businesses worldwide. Okay. So till now we have completed a lot of topic, and it has been uploaded on my channel. Let's see today what we have. So today's topic is very different, and maybe for many people, it will be like a wow moment kind of things. Yes, I'm saying based on my experience, nothing else. Even when I was working on this topic, I was also surprised. Wow kind of thing. तो ये वीडियो रिलेटेड है मेरे पुराने टॉपिक से और सीरीज ऑफ वीडियो है इसमें. सो टाइप्स ऑफ रिटेल स्टोर बिजनेसेस वर्ल्ड वाइड, मतलब कितने प्रकार के स्टोर होते हैं, कितने प्रकार के बिजनेस होते हैं, रिटेल बिजनेस पूरे संसार में, तो उससे संबंधित है. आज का जो पॉइंट है वो काफी आश्चर्यजनक वाली बात आपको बताएगा. आप आश्चर्यचकित हो जाएंगे कि ऐसा भी होता है और कितना बड़ा आधार है किसी चीज के लिए. करेक्ट. तो आज बहुत डिफरेंट थिंग आपको पता चलेगा, जो कि एक सक्सेसफुल रिटेल बिजनेस भी है. लोग उससे बिजनेस करके अपना घर परिवार और जीवन यापन भी कर पा रहे हैं. सो लेट्स सी. So these are the category where we have started talking, like food and beverages, fashion and accessories, hobbies and interests, religion and belief, home and living, unique, experiential, health and wellness, area specific retail store, electronic and technology, sports and outdoor, and services, and many things. If you get anything, let me know, I'll add this. बहुत सारे रिटेल बिजनेस के टाइप्स होते हैं, बहुत सारे डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट होते हैं बेस्ड ऑन कैटेगरी. जैसे खाने पीने का सामान हो गया, फैशन कपड़े हो गए, हॉबीज इंटरेस्ट, आपकी क्या इच्छा है, आप क्या करते हैं, रिलीजन एंड बिलीफ, तो आपका धर्म क्या है, आपके वो विश्वास के हैं, तो वो सब सारे बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं जो मार्केट में मिलती हैं. होम एंड लिविंग बहुत कॉमन है, ये बिना इसके आप रह नहीं सकते हैं. यूनिक, एक्सपीरियंशियल, दिस इज वेरी डिफरेंट वन. ये बहुत ही डिफरेंट है, इसके बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे. हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस, एरिया स्पेसिफिक हो सकता है, किसी शहर से लेकर, किसी राज्य से लेकर, किसी कंट्री से लेकर. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, स्पोर्ट्स एंड आउटडोर, मतलब खेल कूद से संबंधित, और सर्विसेज, मतलब जो भी हम अपने जीवन में जो भी चाहते हैं उस वो दो प्रकार से डिवाइड होता है. एक सर्विस होता है, एक प्रोडक्ट, मतलब जिसको आप एक टच कर सकते हैं, फील कर सकते हैं, और भी बहुत कुछ. सो जैसे मैंने बोला था कि आज का टॉपिक थोड़ा डिफरेंट होगा, और आपको भी देख कर लगेगा कि भाई दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव वर्ल्ड वाइड. करेक्ट. हाउ रिटेल बिजनेसेस हैपन इन दैट पर्टिकुलर सेगमेंट. सो आज का टॉपिक है रिटेल स्टोर फॉर रिलीजन एंड बिलीफ्स. So today we are going to talk about the n number of stores where people go buy their basic need, and they do a lot of things. They follow certain process. They believe that this way only we can do and all the things. So whenever you are doing anything, you need lot of supporting articles, lot of supporting factors and all the thing that can be in a physical form. Correct. So this is all about the religion and belief. Let me clear one more thing. See, I may be right or wrong, or I may not be, because whatever the data, whatever the information I have gathered, and I got it through the internet. And yes, I have tried my best that I am not representing any wrong information. Correct. तो आज का जो टॉपिक है वो है रिटेल स्टोर फॉर रिलीजन एंड बिलीफ, मतलब धर्म से संबंधित और विश्वास से संबंधित. जैसे आप कोई प्रोसेस फॉलो करते हैं, अगर आप कोई भी धर्म के हैं तो आपका एक प्रोसेस होता है. उस प्रोसेस में आपको कुछ फिजिकल चीजें चाहिए होती हैं, वो आप उसको इस्तेमाल करते हैं. करेक्ट. और इससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं. मैंने पूरा कोशिश किया है कि जो भी मैं आपको नॉलेज दे रहा हूँ वो अप टू द मार्क हो, मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा कोशिश किया, अगर कहीं कुछ छूट गया हो तो आप कमेंट में बता सकते हैं, एंड डेफिनेटली विल इम्प्रूव. So let's start. So bookstores. So bookstores are very common. Remember this for all religion. Whatever the religion we have worldwide. No, I'm not going into deep how many and all the thing, but each religion they have their basic books and they do worship for that. They do puja for that. They do praying for that. Correct. So like Sanatan, Christian, Islamic, Buddhist, and all the things. Then gift shop, spiritual centers, yoga studio, meditation center, religious artifact stores, correct? Then halal, harmonious food store, kosher food store, church supply store, astrology, numerology shop. So this is very big retail kind of a business. Now this is happening online also and offline also. Then spiritual healing centers, correct? This is also very important. Religious apparel store, correct? Whenever you are going temple, masjid, gurudwara, church, you need a kind of a clothing, correct? You have a certain rules and regulation to follow. Prayer mat store, very common. Incense stick shop. So these incense stick shops are very common for all the religion. Even see, I am if I am doing puja at home, worship, so I should have this. Even if you are a Christian, Muslim, Guru, or any religious person, you need this. Correct. Then Christian music store, Islamic clothing store, Jewish gift shop, Buddhist sovereign stores, Hindu temple supply stores, Sikh article stores, and new age metaphysical shops, correct? Like crystal, tarot, and cards. Then we have a church furniture store, Islamic book store, spiritual jewelry store, Ayurvedic herbal store. So, see, I'll tell you here maybe people will get some different thought. Ayurveda is not a religion and not a, but it's a belief. We believe in the Ayurveda system, correct? That if I follow the Ayurveda medicine, definitely I'll improve. And this is true also, correct? Then we have a Tao Confucian artifact stores. So, and then we have Samnik supply store, drums, herbs, and all the thing. Christian apparel stores, meditation garden store, religious novelty store, astrology, horoscope store, spiritual wellness center, church decor stores, correct? So Islamic art galleries, calligraphy, then miniatures and all the thing. Buddhist meditation supply store, Jewish ritual stores, Hindu puja services stores, correct? Then Sufi Islamic stores, then Christian music stores, spiritual coaching, counseling services, church story, heritage store, correct? Like rare book and memorabilia and all the things you will be having. Then we have Gnostic and Estonic store, correct. Then we have a Pagan weekend supply store, Jain Baha'i stores, Shinto Japanese spiritual stores, Taoist Chinese spiritual stores, indigenous native spiritual stores, correct. Then mystical occult stores, correct. Church fundraising gift stores, spiritual travel pilgrim services, very common, correct, for each religion, where you go and talk about the package, talk about the ticket booking, how to go, how to travel, and all the thing. Then interfaith stores, correct. Then we have a Zoroastrian and Persian stores, fire temple items, correct. Then we have Baha'i unity stores, Baha'i text unity symbols. Then we have Ethiopian store, correct? Then we have Druid Celtic spiritual stores. Then we have Shamanic animist stores. Then we have a Voodoo's Santana stores. Then Thelemic and Crowland stores. Then we have Hoodoo's store, root work, and all the things supply material they need. Spiritual, uh, metaphysical store like crystal, essential oils, and all the thing. This one I have explained in last slide also. Church temple supply stores, correct? Then astrology, numerology services, birth chart, numerology reading, and all the things. Then tarot, then oracle card stores and all the thing. Then feng shui, The Feng Shui is now very famous in India. I am from India, so I know these are. You go to any store, you will get this. Correct? Any gift shop and all the thing you go, you'll get these all the things. Crystal healing gem store, then Reiki energy healing stores, spiritual mindfulness coaching services, church temple membership services. Correct? Religious spiritual publishing houses. Correct? Second, music chanting stores, incense smudging supply stores, then Dharma Buddhist wheel store, Sikh Gurudwara supply store like Kripan Gurudwara decor item and all that. So guys, see, my thought process is very clear. I'm just giving you idea that what kind of a store you can open in your city. Remember this, and this is worldwide related to religion and belief. I have the idea I have given. Remember one more thing. Whenever you are opening any new store, please go to my old video, how to earn the profit for 100 years and all the thing. Please see very small thing I have mentioned in that so that you will get to know, ki, wow, these are the point where employee stays or customer stays with your business. Okay. See, whenever you start any business, and everybody will say this much you do the investment, this product you can buy, you can keep, and all the thing. This location is very good. But when you start your store, you get real magical factors, correct? Where you'll think, oh my God, I could have done something better. So this is all about from my side. Remember, guys, whenever you're opening a store, only customer is not important for you. Only employee is not important for you. Only stock is not important for you. Only your capital investment is not important for you. So there are a lot of factors which are very important and you cannot ignore. See, I'll tell you one thing. If you have got the store anywhere, and trust me, if you don't have a hygiene toilet facility, then trust me, the staff will not stay for the longer time until unless you're not paying very high salary. They're very close to your store, like a walking distance, maybe 100 meter or 200 meter, correct? So this is a very small thing. We need to take care of this, correct? And suppose one more, I'll just add it and I'll be closing this talk. See, store runs on a of course, there are a lot of big pillars to run the business, but the pillar will survive when you are keep on, doing coloring, doing repair and all the things, correct? So same way, it's your business. Suppose keeping a stock is a bigger pillar for you, correct? See, in a retail, what is important? Three things like store, stock, and staff, correct? Suppose you are keeping a stock and a stock is not up to the mark, means you are not able to sell the product and unnecessary stock is lying inside the store, or stock is you are able to sell but not moving very fast. What need to be done? So you should know the technical parameter, how much stock you should have and all the things, correct? So this is what I wanted to explain. So remember, the any store you open, you make a juice shop, for that also the same business rule. You open like a Photoshop store. Same, same rule will go everywhere. Investment pattern will be different, customer will be different, correct? Targeted area will be different, but the principle is same for each business. The basic things are basic. So basic, everybody will explain you. But after the basic, what are the variables are there which can create lot of impact for your business? That you have to see. So how you will see that? Whenever you are opening any store, just see your competitors or your neighbor store, how they operate. What are the problem they face? So what is the best idea? Work with them for 1 month, 15 days, or 2 months. So you'll get to know this kind of a business will have a this kind of a challenges. Okay, so let's yes, I have a little cold, so I'm just feeling that. So let's close this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel also, and please share this knowledge to someone who are looking for this kind of add-on. Nothing else from my side. बहुत बहुत आप लोग का धन्यवाद। और अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ आप इसको शेयर करें ताकि दूसरों को भी नॉलेज मिल पाए। नथिंग एल्स। थैंक यू।